Hi there, here we are with our patient Adrien. Adrien is here for a 5.5-month follow-up. We did a MaxHarvest Plus hair transplant procedure, but we happened to do a monster size case. We moved 80 square centimeters of hair. To put that into perspective, that's about 16,000 hairs with average density. This is more than anybody is doing anywhere in the world by far. The average follicular unit case on their best day might give you 4,000, 5,000 hairs. This is 16,000 to put that in perspective for everybody. It's just a huge case. So we took a class 6 patient from front to back, filled him in all the way. So completely did his whole head in one procedure. And we left him with no visible scar, which we're going to show you in a second. So if you look at it up close, you can already see the complete reframing of the face, how it completely looks natural. I'm going to show you the scar momentarily. How are you, my friend?
I'm happy, really happy. My life is, everything changed, really.
So you went to Cuba, right? What did your family think?
My travel to Cuba, my family is, wow, you look like different.
So
you're different person.
It's amazing. Your transformation is amazing. And he's only at 5.5 months. So we have another solid year of growth. So I'm just going to show your suture line. So face towards me, please. Yep, excellent. So with other procedures, everyone's so concerned about scarring. Well, he actually had a previous procedure with the follicular units, which they say is a scarless procedure. He had that, and he had no result, 0 result. We did a MaxHarvest Plus with a linear scar, and let's show everyone this scar that everyone's so freaked out about. This is the scar. That's the scar, right through there, if you can see that. That's the scar. So I'm going to just kind of turn you a little bit. The scar is right there. Okay? You can even see his old FUE holes. And here's the back of his head. In the meantime, you can see the spiral we built. You can see how this is starting to come in. This is going to continue to grow. And as he grows out, this will even fill in more. Now remember, this is only 5.5 months. And let me show this side. And so I'm going to just turn here. And so here's the rest of the suture line. Let's see if I can find it for you. There it is. Okay, right here. So this is it. You see it? That's the suture line. Right there. You can barely even see it. It's just a beautiful, beautiful suture line. I mean, and he wears his hair super short, and it just looks perfect. So I just really want to emphasize the size of this case and the size of his loss. He was a complete class 6 with 0 hair on the top of his head, and in one procedure, 5.5 months later, he looks like this with that scar. And that scar is not done healing, and this is not done growing. So we're very excited to show everybody this. Now, Josh, would you like to add to that?
I think you did a great job. You have your before picture on your phone, Adrien?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we could put that up there. At the same time, we'll add that later. But basically, the idea is that the difference between what we do here and everybody else is probably 4 times the amount of hair.
Yeah.
4 times coverage, 4 times result. A lot of people don't realize this is all math. If he's lost 40,000 hairs and he got back 16,000, you're always going to do better with Dr. Bolton, then you're going to be choosing another doctor who gives you 3, 4, 5, 6,000 hairs.
Yeah.
Congratulations, buddy.
Right now, using the brush, using the mirror. Before in my life, never. And that's it. Right now, brush. It's different. My life has changed.
Awesome, man.
Thank you.
Congratulations.